Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach After Market Update for the Live Trading Alert Call Room. Today is August 8th, Wednesday, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 opportunities in the room. We actually had 7th, but we didn't get filled. We tried to get short right up there at that dot, and it just didn't fill us. Barely on a ZL, and that would have been a beautiful trade if we got in, so we got in the other way, but that would have been a beautiful trade straight down. We did, once it got down there, we took an exhaustion trade long, and that was at 74.45, 74.46. Right after this candle came down, closed here, and it was bouncing around here, I said just get long, and that went up from 46 up all the way. Actually went all the way up to our second target, but not everybody stayed in that long. But that trade went up from 46 initially to into the 60s, 66, so over 80 ticks. For those people who did not, who could not. Stay in the trade, obviously, from there. We got in again, and that was at 68.50, and that trade went up, and that one made up to our next target where we had another potential problem area come in, but that was not before we made 40 ticks or so on that trade. 68.50, 74.50. 25 ticks or so, I should say, on that one, or much more from down lower. These were separate entries though, and then we got long again at 75.25 on the 1051 candle, and again had my target straight up here, said get out of the trade completely. Do not stay in. If you got one contract, don't, 2 contracts, don't even hold one, just get out of the trade. And that was a beauty. That one made from 75.50, well over 80 ticks, again to the target. Then this was really late in the morning. We were just kind of playing around. I told everybody we were going to buy. We were going to add a little bit lower. We bought around 73.50. Trade made up to 15 ticks. We were expecting it to go to 77.25 minimum. I said that otherwise it might bounce around here before it, we have a chance to kind of try to ride it up. We would have had to add a little lower, and again you see the time the room was closing, so up to 15 ticks on that, and ZL, and then we got a bonus trade here on the crude. I told everybody 15-20 ticks max on this because we're in a downtrend. I have most of your contracts off. That was at 67.14 on the 1106 candle. Again, that trade did make 20 ticks. And then here, again, towards the end of the morning, we got long at 74. I said, normally what you want to do is add, around 54, and then, you get into a free trade from there, and, that would have made, again, either way, it would have made 8 ticks or a break even. Not much there. Again, we're just playing around kind of at the end. Some people wanted to get into something and try to hold. So great day in the room. We're going to come back tomorrow and do it all over again. Check out the free trial. There's no credit card required. There's no cost. 10 days, 25 free hours of trading and analysis, questions, all that kind of stuff. You get to see what we do firsthand, and we look forward to seeing you. So see everybody back tomorrow. Have a great day. Safe trading.